In this video, you're going to learn how to add content. That's not video and files to a subject or course or to chapter folders. So the way we add notes, video, and files to physics as a subject is the same exact way that we add notes to the chapters, folders, and subfolders. So previously, we looked at how we can add a chapter. So we had previously added a chapter called uh, Demo 4. So to add content in Demo 4, we have to click on Demo 4, then navigate to our left sidebar menu, click on Add. A new window will appear that asks us to enter the title of the notes that we want to enter, then the description. So we're going to enter a title, maybe new, but after we can type in something, if at all we have where we are copying the notes, or we can copy and paste from already existing file or document. So I'm going to copy, then I'll paste here. At this point, I can either save. So I can either save, or still, if at all I feel like I want to attach a document, I can click on add attachment, then choose file and navigate where my file is saved and I add that file. But for now, we're going to save the notes. So saving notes without publishing, without checking published, means that the students will not be able to see the notes. But when I publish the notes, it means the notes are going to appear under the students' accounts. Saving without publishing means that maybe there are a few changes that I still have to work on the notes before publishing them. So I'm going to save without publishing. So I'll click save notes. When I click on save notes, when I go back when I click on content in the left side menu, click on content, uh, then I scroll to demo 4 because that's why we added our content. We shall find a file called new notes, and when I click on the new notes, it will load the notes that I previously added. Go back to physics. If at all I want to add the notes or video or file to physics directly, I have to do the same procedure. Click on add notes, uh, enter the notes title, maybe the notes new. I can still copy paste or add an attachment. So I'm going to paste already copied text, then I'll say either publish. Remember I said when you click on publish, it means the notes will be accessible by the students, but when you save without publishing, it means you still have a few changes that you want to make on the notes before publishing. So I'll publish, then save. When I click on content and I scroll down, it will show me that the notes new file has already been added and shows it was last modified less than a minute ago. So it's the same procedure that we use to add a video. So I'll click on add a video. It will ask for a video title, of which I'll input a video title. Then it will ask for a YouTube link. So for me to add a YouTube link, a video has to exist on YouTube. So I'll have to copy the YouTube link and paste it. So I can write something, then click save video. It's the same procedure that we go through. If at all I need to add a file, I'll click file, I put a file name, then I'll browse where the file is saved. Maybe I can save this, the file name is this, and save. When I click down, I'll find my file there. I click on file, it will show that it has downloaded. So you have successfully added the file, you can download it and so on. So thank you for watching. That's where we add uh, notes or video or a file to the subject or course or to the chapter folders. Thank you.